Have you ever wondered if our minds can truly change reality? Or if by simply observing something, we're influencing its very existence? In today's episode, we're diving into the mind-blowing quantum law of being. Hello to all the curious minds of the universe. Welcome to Science Mysteries Explained by an AI, the channel where we unravel the most fascinating enigmas of the cosmos, with a whole lot of curiosity. Buckle up your scientific seatbelts, because what you're about to discover might just change your perception of the world forever. Is it possible that simply observing something changes its nature? It might sound like science fiction, but in the realm of quantum physics, this idea is closer to reality than you might imagine. One of the most fascinating concepts is wave-particle duality. Imagine a particle, something we typically think of as a tiny ball of matter. But in the quantum world, this particle can also behave like a wave. How is that possible? It all depends on whether you're observing it or not. Amazing, right? Now, pause for a moment and think. What if the same logic applied to our daily lives? What if our decisions and the way we perceive the world influence how it unfolds? The quantum law of being suggests that our consciousness and thoughts have a direct impact on the reality we experience. Let me leave you with this to ponder. We've seen how observation can change the nature of a particle in the quantum world. But how does this translate to our everyday lives? Here's where the quantum law of being becomes truly fascinating. Think about the last time you had a positive or negative thought about a situation. Did it change your perception of reality? According to the quantum law of being, it's not just your perception that changes. It might actually alter reality itself. It sounds wild, but studies suggest that our minds and emotions can influence the physical world. The mind-matter connection is a captivating concept that has intrigued scientists and philosophers alike. Experiments indicate that when people focus their attention or intention on an object or situation, they can affect its outcome. This phenomenon, known as the observer effect, implies that our minds play an active role in shaping our reality. Imagine that your mind is like a flashlight, illuminating and shaping reality as you focus on different aspects of your life. This idea of consciousness and observation isn't new. Many spiritual traditions and ancient philosophies have long claimed that the human mind has a creative power. Let me leave you with another intriguing question. Could it be that our destiny isn't set in stone, but is constantly being shaped by our thoughts and perceptions? In the next part, we'll dive deeper into concrete examples of how the quantum law of being can manifest in your daily life. Examples of the quantum law of being in everyday life. Let's talk about some real-life applications of this principle. Imagine you're facing a tough situation, maybe you're job hunting or working to improve a personal relationship. The quantum law of being suggests that your attitude and expectations can significantly influence the outcome. Approaching these challenges with a positive and open mindset might attract opportunities and solutions that you wouldn't have noticed otherwise. For example, studies have shown that people who maintain an optimistic attitude and practice gratitude tend to experience better outcomes in their personal and professional lives. This could be a manifestation of how consciousness and observation shape reality. Pause and reflect. What would happen if you started applying these principles in your daily life? How might your relationships, work, and well-being transform? Perhaps by shifting your focus and thoughts, you could bring about positive changes in your reality. Another related concept is synchronicity. This refers to meaningful coincidences that seem connected in some way. For instance, thinking about a friend and then receiving a call from them. The quantum law of being suggests these events aren't mere coincidences but rather results of the connection between our minds and the universe. Here's a question to consider. Could understanding and applying the quantum law of being help you attract more synchronicities and positive events into your life? How to apply the quantum law of being? Finally, let's explore how you can start applying these principles in your life. A great place to begin is with meditation and visualization. These tools can help you focus your mind and align your thoughts with the realities you want to create. Meditation calms your mind, reduces stress, and enhances your awareness of your thoughts and emotions. Visualization, on the other hand, lets you vividly imagine the outcomes you want to achieve. By visualizing your success, your mind begins to accept this new reality and works toward manifesting it. Think of it as planting a seed in your mind that, with time and proper care, grows into a tangible reality. Another powerful practice is positive affirmations. These are clear, positive statements about what you want to achieve. Repeating affirmations daily can help reprogram your mind to accept and work toward these new realities. For example, you might say, "I am open to opportunities and trust that the universe is guiding me toward success." By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you might begin to notice shifts not only in how you perceive the world but in how the world responds to you. Furthermore, it's essential to surround yourself with people and environments that support your vision. The energy and vibrations of others can influence your own energy and how you perceive and create your reality. Seek out communities and activities that resonate with your goals and inspire you. Take a moment to reflect on this question. What small change can you make today in your thinking or behavior that could have a positive impact on your reality? Stories of transformation through the quantum law of being. Let's explore some stories and testimonies of people who applied the quantum law of being in their lives and experienced remarkable transformations. Take Maria, for example. She's an entrepreneur who was struggling with her business. Maria decided to adopt the practice of visualization. Every morning, she spent a few minutes imagining her business's success, satisfied customers, increasing sales, and recognition in her field. Over time, not only did her mindset shift, but she also began to notice positive changes in her business. Opportunities started to appear, and her company flourished. Or consider Juan, an athlete dealing with recurring injuries. Juan started practicing positive affirmations and visualizing his body as strong and healthy. By focusing on his well-being and believing in his capacity to recover, he not only sped up his healing process but also surpassed his previous limitations, achieving new personal records. These stories show that applying the quantum law of being isn't about magic, it's about aligning with your intentions and taking action accordingly. The key is to maintain a positive, persistent attitude and stay open to opportunities. Let me leave you with a question to ponder. How could your life change if you applied these principles to your own challenges and goals? Advanced strategies for the quantum law of being. In the next part, we'll dive into advanced strategies and how to maintain consistency in your daily practice to maximize the benefits of the quantum law of being. One advanced technique is subconscious reprogramming. Think of your subconscious as a vast archive of all your beliefs, experiences, and habits. Reprogramming it involves replacing limiting beliefs with new ones that support your goals and desires. This can be done through repeated affirmations, visualization, and techniques like hypnosis or NLP, neuro-linguistic programming. Another powerful strategy is mindfulness meditation. This practice involves being fully present in the moment without judgment. Mindfulness helps you recognize and change negative thought patterns that may be affecting your reality. By meditating regularly, you can learn to respond consciously rather than react automatically, allowing you to make decisions aligned with your intentions and goals. Additionally, consider keeping a manifestation journal. Use this journal to write down your goals, affirmations, visualizations, and daily reflections. Writing helps you stay focused and track your progress over time. Revisiting your entries can provide valuable insights into how far you've come and what adjustments you need to make to keep moving forward. Here's a question to reflect on. Are you ready to commit to these practices and witness your reality begin to transform? Creating positive impact in your environment. Applying the quantum law of being doesn't just benefit you, it can positively influence your environment and the people around you. One of the most powerful ways to create this positive impact is by leading through example. When you commit to living by the principles of the quantum law of being, you become a beacon of inspiration for others. Your actions, words, and positive energy can create a ripple effect, encouraging those around you to adopt a similar mindset and seek positive change in their lives. Sharing your knowledge and experiences with friends, family, and colleagues is another effective way to expand the reach of these principles. You could organize talks, workshops, or even informal conversations where you explain how consciousness and observation can influence reality. By doing this, you not only reinforce your practice but also help foster a community of like-minded individuals. Remember, every small action counts. Acts of kindness, gratitude, and positivity not only enhance your life but also transform the atmosphere around you. When you practice these qualities consistently, you contribute to a more harmonious and vibrant environment. Let me leave you with this question. How can you start applying these principles today to create a positive impact in your surroundings? On our journey, we've explored how observation and consciousness influence reality, how to apply these principles in daily life, and how they can positively impact our environment. Now, it's time to reflect on how understanding the quantum law of being can lead to a fuller, more meaningful life. Imagine a world where everyone is aware of the power of their thoughts and actions. A world where every individual knows they have the ability to shape their reality and where every moment is an opportunity to create something positive. This is the transformative potential of the quantum law of being. By adopting and practicing these principles, you not only improve your own life but also become a force for positive change in the world. You can contribute to creating an environment where harmony, creativity, and well-being thrive. Remember, every small change counts and can have a significant impact. So, the next time you face a challenge, remember that you have the power to change your perception and, therefore, the reality you experience. The quantum law of being teaches us that our consciousness is a powerful tool, capable of transforming not just our lives but also the world around us. I'll leave you with one final thought. Are you ready to embrace this new understanding and live a fuller, more conscious and meaningful life? The quantum law of being is at your fingertips, waiting to be discovered and applied. And that brings us to the end of another fascinating journey. I hope you've enjoyed and learned as much as I have. But wait, this doesn't end here. There's a universe of knowledge and mystery waiting to be uncovered. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to make sure you don't miss a single episode. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. Your curiosity inspires us to keep exploring. Until the next mystery, may science always be with you.